Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about what happened in market today and what is the technical view of Nifty and what was the top gainer, top loser, and what were the news of that stock. So I'll be talking about all these things in a video. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notification from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational video, intraday trading strategy, tricks, tips, and a lot of things about stock market. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to the stock market, if you're having loss and if you want to recover the loss, want to learn how to make money constantly in the stock market, you can join my course. I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. So all the details are in my blog spot. The link is in the description below of this video. You can check it out if you're interested. And also here you can see feedback and earning proof of my client after taking the course. So a lot of traders who got into my trading program are now making money constantly in the stock market. They've changed the way of trading and they've recovered all the losses. So you can watch all of these things with the proof in the ledgers here. You can go inside it and watch all of these things. And if you're interested to join us to make money constantly like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. Not only that, you can also see the feedback messages from my clients after taking the course also. So go through all of these things, and if you're interested to make money constantly like this and want to learn how to make money constantly, you can definitely join us now. So guys, by being said that, let's talk about the market today. What all things happened and what are the news and all the things. Okay, so firstly, today Nifty 50 gave a good up movement. At the morning it did fell a bit, and later it continued its rally. It opened at 11,558 and the high made for today is 11,603 and it closed at 11,536. So this was the Nifty 50 movement today. Okay, so today's top gainer was Heromotocorp. So it opened at 3,180 and made a high of 3,345, which is a very good. It just rallied straight away to the upside. As you can see, there is no down movement. It was a very good stock for the day. Okay, and the top loser was S Bank. So S Bank opened around 341 and made a low of 321.80. As you can see, this stock fell all the way down. So this were the top two stock of the today, that is the top gainer and the top loser. So let's check out if we have any news on the Heromotocorp. So Heromotocorp sales rises to 685,047 units in August. The company has sold 678,797 units of motorcycle and scooter in August 2017, Heromotocorp said in a statement. So this is the 7%, like this is a percentage of raise what there is in the Heromotocorp. So if you want to know more about it, the link is given in the description below of this video. You guys can check the news about Heromotocorp. And also S Bank falls 7%. Okay, so S Bank falls 7% even as RBI approves Rana Kapoor as MD till the further notice. In June this year, S Bank shareholders had approved the reappointment of Rana Kapoor as a chief executive and managing director for 3 years, subject to fail approval for the Reserve Bank of India. So the S Bank news is also linked in the description below of this video. If you guys want to know more information about this, you guys can check out and read this article. So next, coming to the SEBI. So SEBI wants to exchange to consider brokers' view before extending the trading hours. So as you guys know, NSE and BSE has submitted a plan to extend trading hours till midnight from October 1st on May 4th. So SEBI had agreed to increase the time for equity derivatives trading to 11:55 p.m. So this is regarding the time to extend for equity trading. So even SEBI wants to know the considers broker view, so what they feel, even they're accepting a opinion from the brokers. So this news detail is also given in the description below this video. You guys can watch it for more. And coming to the Nifty technical view, so Nifty forms a bearish candle after 6 consecutive week, 11,550 crucial for bulls. So maximum put option interest of 47.64 lakh contract was seen at 11,500 strike price, followed by 11,400 and 11,000. So Nifty is now forming a bearish candle. So that's the news about the technical view of the Nifty. And also, as you can see about open interest and all the things. So if you want to read more about this, the link is in the description below this video. So you guys can read this news also. So these are the top news of today, guys. So hope this was helpful for you, and thank you guys for watching this updates. And if you want more updates like this, do let me know in the comment section. So I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day.